Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 10 from exercise number 8.1. Our question is, in triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So we have taken one triangle, the name is PQR, the right angle should be at Q. So this is my right angle, that we have to take it as Q. Now this is your P, this is your Q and this is your R. PQR is my triangle now. PR plus QR is 25. PR plus QR, the addition should be 25 and PQ alone 5 centimeter. So this is 5 is given. These two angles separately I don't know, but they have given us PR plus QR will give you 25 centimeter is given to us. Now determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Anyway we need all the three sides, then only we can determine these values. Now let's start with the Pythagorean's theorem. By the Pythagoras theorem, what we can write is hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two sides, that is side squared plus side squared we can write. Hypotenuse value, here hypotenuse is PR. So PR squared equal to, here we have PQ squared plus here we have QR squared. So this is given. So here we want PR now. So from the given equation we can take the PR. So PR is equal to, here we have a 25, this plus QR you just take it to other side, that will become minus QR. So what we can write is PR place we can substitute 25 minus QR also. Now in the place of PR you just write it 25 minus QR the whole square, because here we have the square, that should be taken here also, equal to PQ value is given as 5. So 5 squared plus QR squared. Now this is look like A minus B the whole squared. A minus B the whole squared will be A squared plus B squared minus 2 into A into B. This is a formula. That is a normal formula. A minus B the whole squared only we are applying. Since I am just writing here for your reference. A minus B the whole squared equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. By applying this only we are getting expanded this one, which is equal to 5 squared value is 25 plus QR squared is coming as it is. Now 25 squared, 25 are 625. That is, here we have a 2, the next number is 3. 2 3s are 6, this 5 squared is 25. Like that we can write it. Plus QR squared minus 2 into 25 will give you 50, this QR. Now this plus 25 take it into other side, minus 25. This plus QR squared take it into other side, minus QR squared, which is equal to 0. Plus QR squared minus QR squared will get cancelled. 625 minus 25 will get subtracted. We are getting 600 minus 50 QR, which is equal to 0. So anyway we need to find the value of QR only. So take the 600 to other side, that will become minus 600. So minus 50 QR is equal to minus 600 we are getting. So minus 50 is an integer, that is in multiplication sign. So the multiplication number if we take it into other side, it will become a division. When the number is coming in division, it will never get the sign change. It will come as a minus only. Minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel. 5 1s are 5 12s are 60. So what we are getting is QR is equal to 12. Now the QR can be substituted here to get your PR value. So substitute QR is equal to 12. Now PR is equal to 25 minus QR value 12. So PR is equal to 25 minus 12 will give you 13. So that should be written as a centimeter, because all the values are given in centimeter only. So we have written the centimeter. Now let's go to the diagram. QR is 12. So QR is 12, write it here. PR is 13. PR 13 also we have written. So addition of these two came to 25. Now finally our question is sin P, cos P and tan P we need to write. So let us write it now. Sin P is equal to sin P value. Our value is opposite side by hypotenuse side from the P. So this is my P value. What is your opposite side? 12. Hypotenuse side is 13. 12 by 13. Next we need to write cos P. Adjacent by hypotenuse. From the P, adjacent side is 5 only. Because this is my hypotenuse, it will never change. This is my hypotenuse for anywhere. Now from P, this is opposite, this is adjacent. So 5 by 13. Now cos P, then finally tan P they are asking. Tan P is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here opposite we are getting 12, adjacent we are getting 5. So 12 by 5 is your correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.